Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details, and I've just finished the first car on the unit. The Kia Ceed GT Line received a 30-hour detail which involved a 2-stage paint correction, Gtechniq 2-year paint coating, wheels off and ceramic coat, and a few minor stone chip repairs. This video doesn't serve a purpose other than documenting the finished results from my very first car as a unit-based detailer. The story of the car is that I went out to the customer's location around 4 weeks ago to perform a single stage enhancement. Whilst I was decontaminating the Kia, it became apparent there was quite a build-up of various contamination on the paintwork. By the time I was done decontaminating, I was almost 5 hours into the detail, and due to the British winter daylight hours, I just didn't have enough time left in the day to do a good enough job. I spoke with the owner and explained the circumstances, and we both agreed that bringing the car to the unit in a few weeks' time would be the best option for the both of us. For me, I needed a car in the unit to test out the new lighting and to generally refresh my own skills. For the owner, he received one hell of a service for an incredibly good price, and a service I just wasn't capable of as a mobile detailer. The level of paint correction I achieved on the Kia, if I were to put an honest percentage on it, I would say around 80%. The car simply looks stunning and fully protected with Gtechniq ceramic coatings. First one down, and I look forward to the next one. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for car number 1, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video.